Hello, welcome to ManualBrakes.com. My name is David Schultz. I'm the owner of ManualBrakes.com, and I kind of want to go through like a bench mock-up of a G-body ManualBrakes.com ManualBrakes.com system. It'll come with the master cylinder like you see here, but I like to mock everything up before I install it in the vehicle, so I know what kind of problems I'll run into while, or if there's going to be problems, what will I expect. When you mock it up on the bench, you can see how everything works. You can see how everything goes together. You can see if you need to clearance any of these mounting holes, because these master cylinders has a slightly narrower bolt pattern than a GM master cylinder. You can adjust your brake light switch, so you can adjust it to where your pedal is going to give you the longest stroke possible, and this brake light switch is not going to pull out. But you can mock everything up, see how it looks, see how it works, see if there's any interference with the push rod and the cup, and just make sure everything is going to go together, so you're not, under the dash having issues with trying to install this. You want to kind of see how it all goes together and how it works before you put it in. If you have any questions about this G-body or any of the ManualBrakes.com systems that I have, please shoot me an email at david.schultz@ManualBrakes.com. You can go out to ManualBrakes.com, get my email there, get my phone number, 832-264-5566. Give me a call directly, or you can text me with any kind of information that you need. Again, david.schultz@ManualBrakes.com, or you can call me at 832-264-5566. Thanks for joining me today. Bye.